Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civilka Adda 1M. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M. So in this video, I am going to explain about how to design a suitable reinforcement in the beam. So we'll see the question. A rectangular reinforced concrete beam of width 400 mm and effective depth 600 mm. So there is a rectangular beam which is having the width 400 mm and the depth 600 mm and is to be designed to support an ultimate moment of 600 kilonewton meter using M20 grade concrete and Fe415 steel, so that is Fe415 HYSD bars. So design suitable reinforcement in the beam at an effective cover of 60 mm. So we need to design a reinforcement for this rectangular reinforced concrete beam. So first we'll write the given data, whatever given in the question. So given data, width of the beam B is equals to 400 mm and effective depth D is equals to 600 mm and clear cover also they have given D dash is equals to 60 mm. So FCK 20 Newton per mm square and Fy 415 Newton per mm square and ultimate moment mu is also given 600 kilonewton meter. So what we need to find, we need to design a suitable reinforcement. So which mean area of steel in tension zone and in compression zone. So these two we need to find. So we'll see that how to find it. So the limiting moment of resistance mu limit is equals to 0.138 FCK BD square. So this formula is for Fe 415 Newton per mm square. So for Fe 250 it will be different, for Fe 500 also it will be different. So Fe 415 it is 0.138 FCK BD square. So you know all the information here. FCK 20, B is 400, D is equals to 600. So substitute all the values and you will be getting the mu limit. So mu limit is equals to 397.44 into 10 power 6 Newton mm. So if you want in kilonewton meters, so 397.44 kilonewton meter. So we have calculated the limiting moment of resistance 397.44 kilonewton meter. So to find the AST, we need to find AST1 and AST2. So we need to find AST1 and AST2. If we see in page 96 of IS 456-2000, so we have the formulas here. AST is equals to AST1 plus AST2 and AST formula is also there, AST2 formula is also there. So we'll find that. So AST is equals to 0.36 FCKB XU max by 0.87 Fy. So this is the AST1 formula. So in this formula we know FCK, we know B, we don't know XU max and we know Fy. So first we'll find out this XU max. So XU max is equals to 0.48 into D. So 0.48 into D, this is we have taken from the page 70. So if you want detailed about other grades of cement also, how we are going to take XU max, I have already did that video. So I'll be linking at the end of this video. So 0.48 into D. So 0.48 into D is how much? 600. So it is 288. Now substitute that here and get the AST value. So 0.36 into 20 FCK, B 400, XU max 288 and 0.87 into Fy is 415. Right? So substitute all the values and you will be getting the AST1 value. So which is 2297.29 mm square. And we need to find AST2 also, right? And before that we'll find the ASC, because in AST2 we want the ASC value also. So that's why we are finding this. So ASC is equals to mu2 by FSC D minus D dash. So the formula for ASC is mu2 by FSC into D minus D dash. Here we don't know the mu2 value. right? So we don't know the Mu2 value, we don't know the FSC value also. So first we'll find these two values, then again we'll substitute here, and so that we'll be getting the ASC. So first we'll find the Mu2 value. So we have the relation Mu is equals to Mu limit plus Mu2. So we want Mu2, right? So Mu2 is equals to Mu minus Mu limit. And you know Mu value which is given in question, and you know Mu limit also, just in previous step we have calculated. So we want that value, that's why we have calculated in the previous step. So Mu2 is equals to 600 minus 397.44, and which is equals to 202.50 kilonewton meter. So therefore Mu2 is equals to 202.50 kilonewton meter. So now we have got this value. So now we will find this FSC. So FSC is equals to 0.0035 into 1 minus d dash by XU max into ES. So 0.0035 into 1 minus d dash is equals to 60 by 0.48 into 600, and you can take ES as 2 into 10 to the power 5, and you'll be getting the FSC value. And if you want the formulas, so you can refer the Annex G, page number 96. And we have calculated FSC, right? So the FSC should not be greater than 0.87 Fy. So 0.87 into Fy, 415. So it is 361 Newton per mm square. So we have got 554.16 Newton per mm square, right? So which is greater? So that's why we need to take this value only. We'll see that. So ASC is equals to Mu2 by FSC into D minus D dash, right? So Mu2 we have calculated, substitute that value. FSC also we have calculated. As it should not be greater than 0.87 Fy, we need to take this 361 Newton per mm square. If the previous step, if we have got less than this, we would have taken that value only. As it is greater, then we are taking this 361 Newton per mm square. So D value, you know, D dash, you know, substitute all the values, you will be getting the ASC value. So it is 1039 mm square. So after finding ASC, so what is the another step is there? AST1 we have calculated. Now AST2. So AST2 is equals to ASC into FSC by 0.87 Fy. So this formula you can refer in page 96 IS 456-2000. So ASC formula you know, just now we have calculated. FSC also you know, and 0.87 Fy also we know. So substitute all the values, you will be getting the AST2. So it is 1038.85 mm square. So to get the AST, what we required? We want AST1 and AST2. So we have calculated AST1 and AST2. So sum of those two will give the AST, right? So substitute that values. AST1 2297.29 and AST2 1038.85. So AST is equals to 3336.14 mm square. And ASC how much we have got? 1039 mm square. So what is asked in the question? Asked to find out the reinforcement, to design the reinforcement. So we have calculated area of steel in tension as well as in compression. So these two are the AST and ASC values. So thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please do subscribe to Civilka Adda 1M.